And that's when I said they can't be in the show anymore. Well, why'd you kick Edward and Henry out of the show? Some questions just can't be answered, Toby. Hello everybody, it's me, Matt. Anyway, Thomas, so yeah, we got some stuff for you to do. You gotta like take the mail. Isn't that my job? Not anymore, Pussy. Everybody hates you. Oh, this is why you have no friends, Percy. Oh. So what? Yeah, Thomas, you gotta go the mail or something because nobody likes Percy. Percy is stupid. Oh boy, I can't wait to deliver the mail. Whee! There we go. Ew! Ouchie! Said the baggage car. Whoa, hold up. You have a face? Of course I do. Why wouldn't I? Okay. Thomas, go on the track. Then when Thomas got to the bridge, he tried to puff up. Oh man. This stuff is way too heavy. Like, jeez. How am I supposed to get up here? It's way too heavy. Just think positively. What do you think this is? A children's TV show about friendship? Oh, wait a minute. Yes, it is. Yeah, man, literally just, I don't know, go up the bridge or something. It's not that hard. Alright, I'm gonna think positively and then I'll magically do it somehow. I don't know, it's a kid's show. Alright, let's go. Let's try to puff up the track positively. Oh, it's working. It's actually working. Oh my. What did I tell you? Just think positively. I'm almost there. Oh, I actually did it. I was able to get up here and not be a total failure. Nice. Hooray. All right, let's continue our adventure to the yard. All right, to Thomas, and he puffed on him. Wait a minute, I just realized something. This whole thing's in a loop. We could have literally just gone back. It's about hard work and craftsmanship and all that other stuff. I don't know what I'm talking about. I guess you're right. So, I guess it's time to go to the other spot. He went through the Napper Tunnel. And through the other side. Let's go, go. Oh, damn, I hit the camera. And with a little bit of positivity and a couple of marketing tactics, Thomas was able to puff through the bridge. Oh yeah, I'm so swag, said Thomas. Thomas went up the bridge. Thomas went down the hill. And Thomas went down the hill. And Thomas went down the hill. Oh, great. A baggage car, I'm stuck on the hill and I'm too tired to move. Do I really have to say this game? Just think positively. Oh, but I can't. I'm too worn out and stuff like that. I'm too tired, too bored. I guess the children won't get their letters to people this year. Also, why isn't Percy doing his job? He's perfectly fine. Focus! Oh, okay. Just think positively. I can't. What am I supposed to think about? Imagine if all those letters were to Mattel about season 25 and how horrible it looked. And if you get those to the yard, then they can put it in the mail, then maybe season 25 will never exist. That's right, baggage car. That's very hard to say. If I do that, then, maybe season 25 will never exist. I'm having very bad speaking problems. Then maybe season 25 will never exist. So keeping in mind that season 25 might never exist, Thomas puffed down the... What did I tell you? Just think positively. You're you're right. We're already here. Oh boy, baggage car. Now we can finally get those letters from the children to Mattel saying how bad season 25 looks. Yep, you're right. Yep, I am. All right. So after all the mail was delivered, or put in the mailbox and stuff like that, Thomas and the baggage car puffed away.